Yo, welcome back, guys. So we are back again. Mic is on, this is on. So, yeah, this is a video. Let's actually now it's about to end the market. Within 2 hours, the market is gonna get close. Before yeah, the blitz is off. I just wanna see the trades which we have took, and some trades were in the profit. No. Let me clear. I haven't took any trade. We just predicted because this is an experiment which is going on side by side. So when we did the trading analysis, I mean trade recap, sorry, that was we were in a cyclone. So now now it's 2 hours before the market ends. I wanna see because some trades haven't hit the take profit, so I wanna see does the trade hit the take profits or not. So let's see. GBP CAD, I was not interested before we start. Let me just make sure camera is completely, yeah, not hiding it. Yeah, perfect. So you can see the chart over there. So next is Euro USD. We were looking to yeah, this will be the loss if we talk about. Now this will be the take profit for sure, and this will be the loss. So there will be first loss in this. GBP USD, we were not interested, not took the trade. CAD JPY, not interested, haven't took the trade. Oh, NZD hit the take profit nearly. Oh wait, let me just check the actual take profit. 4 hours, right? So 4 hours, yeah, the actual take profit should be this. Yeah, it should be this. And if we just extend it more, this will be the last take profit. And wow, look at that, it just came over there and it just started reverse. So we can close this over here with 1:5. Really, no, not possible. Let me just actually keep the stop loss right there. This is not the lower high. It's not the lower high. 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute has a lower high right there. So yeah, this will be the for 4.7, adding 2 pips into that by 6. Yeah, 3.5 over here. We will be having the profit of 3.5. So let's actually type it somewhere. Where? But let's do this. -1 plus 3.5. This is our take profit, risk reward ratio we got. Next is what it is. GBP or, right? Am I was interested in this? Absolutely not. I want to took the trade. Euro JPY, we reversed. This was a take profit right there. Let me just delete all of this. Okay. Oh, we didn't reverse. We didn't even took the trade because we were waiting for the price retest and then engulfing, which we did got, but I will still wait for
It's
the
23:30.
30 minute for create a lower high. It haven't created a lower high, haven't took the trade. I will never took this trade right there for sure, as I was completely saying from start. Euro JPY, not interested. Euro GBP, haven't took the trade right there. Euro CAD, not took the trade. Euro odd, haven't took the trade. UDJPY, haven't took the trade. GJ, okay, GJ, let me just check it out. Oh, hold on. Thanks, trader. Haven't. This is a loss which I have avoided this week for the big trade. Man, this was a beautiful buyer. Fuck me. This would be a beautiful buy right there. But this will goes against our trading plan. I will never take that. So GJ, I was not interested. I haven't took the trade. USDJPY. So with USDJPY, I haven't took the trade right there. EuroCAD was interested. Hold on. No, 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 I will not. That was not my trade. Oh yeah, here we. Fuck me. Look at this. I literally have predicted this move, but we got the break. I was waiting for the retracement. I haven't took the trade. We missed this beautiful, phenomenal, phenomenal profit right there. Next is AUD USD. I haven't took the trade. USD CAD. This was not my trade. CHFJPY. We were waiting for a break and then retest. It never happens. Never took the trade, but it closes above. I will not take this trade at all. But if you just go on a lower time frame, we can see the clear break retest. But I will not take the trade because the higher time frame doesn't look good the way it needs to be. Let's keep Euro NZD. Okay, let's just go on a 1 hour. What the fuck is wrong here? Am I going to take this trade? Probably not. We were waiting for a break and we will wait for the retracement right there. Over here, not over here. I'll skip this trade, even though it gone into profit. Nah, I will still skip this trade. But in the 30-minute time frame, we got the break, we got the retrace, we got the things which we wanted to. I mean, we can, but the issue is we are so above. I will pass this trade for sure, because whenever we're under, we sell, and we were under this. Oh no, we were above. Hold on. Yeah, now looks good. Whenever we are above, we buy. Above, we buy. Under, we sell, and we were under. I will not take this trade. AUD NZD, not looking good. I haven't took this trade. Where is NZD cat? Oh my god! 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 This is the exact, like, look at this. Like, look at this. Like, big. This was my favorite trade. Big RR on 30-minute, very high probable. Fuck. I was literally waiting for the break, and then I was waiting for the retracement. Retracement never happens, but the trade just went to my take profit. Look at this boxes I've placed was the exactly correct boxes right there. Fuck. Isn't that crazy? Fucking crazy right there. So NZD CAD, I predicted, haven't happened. Never do to trade. NZD USD. Is there any trade? Was any trade over here? So there was no trade right there. Okay, so as per currently, we were like this before we calculate anything. Oh yeah, Euro USD. Let me just make sure one more thing. Why this hits the plus? Because this was a first take profit, and this was a maxed. Yeah. Man. Absolutely. It was mean to hit the take profit, stop loss, because you don't have that much take profit. Because look at this now. Look at this. Whenever we are above, we buy, and we were above. We should be make it longer once the candlestick close below this candle. So below this box, it never happens. So the prediction was exactly correct. That is gonna come from here to this box. It came. It could easily end up like this, but the risk reward ratio was not matching. I would end up not taking this trade right there. Fuck. Isn't that crazy? So max take profit on the 1 hour time frame can be probably this. And we have reached to that as well. Like this. But I will skip this Euro USD because of the take profit reason. the other currency which we have to have the profit right there was the NZDJPY. If we talk about NZDJPY, the 4 hours time frame was having this take profit, maximum take profit was this only. But if it's go on a lower time frame, you can see the max take profit was this, and we hit that take profit, and then we reverse. So this was beautiful trade. I'm not gonna lie. This was a beautiful trade right there. So if I just excluded all the losses right here, we will end up being in positive of 3.5%, which means if I were taking the $1,000 risks, I would end up making $3,500 today. Today, by just doing motherfucking nothing. Fuck, I'm so sleepy right now. I have to keep myself active because if I sleep, I will not wake up, and the mom dad is gonna come, so I need to be awake to open the door. So it's brilliant trade, yeah, brilliant. All right, so this is the whole trade update of this thing. Seriously, oh my god, look at the camera right there. Oh my jeez, if I implement this strategy, this will be a game changer. So yeah, this is what it is. This is the whole end of the video of the whole live trading scenario. For this week, we haven't took the trade. Let's summarize this. We haven't took the trade. We were taking the trade on GJ. Let me just show you. In GJ, which I didn't like it, so that's why I want to the trade right there, and we have beautifully avoided the loss right there. So if I let me just keep that as it is, because I want to use it when the Sunday swings is going to happen on probably on Sunday. So when with this card engulfing, can we take that intraday trade? Can we? Hold on. Oh, I thought mom dad came, but I can see their location is still in the hotel, so they are not. Fuck, they're so long, man. It's so far. Holy shit, I wanna sleep. Fuck me, I'm just getting crazy right there. So can we take this trade right there? Maybe not. Yeah, I mean, for sure we can take this trade with the break, retests, doji, engulfing. We got the 15 minute. I will not take this trade until I guess this. But this cost so far, I will wait for the retracement and we will miss the trade. Fuck. We literally miss the trade. Nah, it's impossible to take the trade right there. Fuck, so okay. I'm getting sleepy. Fuck. I don't know. I need to keep myself into dopamine so that I will not sleep. Because if I sleep, fuck, who's gonna open the door? Because if I sleep, I will wake up in morning only. It just not come. Even though anything happens around me, I just don't wake up. I don't know how, but this is a fact. So that's why I will just be like this. I'm just going to be like this. If I sleep, I will be like this. So I will instantly wake up because I'm not comfortable position. So yeah, the leg thing. All right, signing off. Peace. uh, yeah, so sorry for not being energetic. The second thing is, it's 23:41 right now. I can speak loudly because all of these guys are sleeping, like neighbors. Signing off.